to complete this channel. So we could still get some continuation here and another follow through before price comes back in and we start to see that, which could be the rest of this week. So there's no need to rush any of these things, and that's why doing something like forecasting makes it so clear and easier for us, because we're giving ourselves the heads up and telling ourselves that this is what may happen, and it just stops a lot of negative emotions coming in when you think price is going and then you see this sort of thing the next day. So just a little reminder on that, but I am now looking at least this low to be hit just for this channel to complete itself, and obviously this is the next area of value that price may want to tap into before we move back to the upside, and it could just be playing a larger range where we actually then just get another sell-off. So we'll have to wait and see what the DXY does, as always, but it could be that we just get a little sideways movement and then price continues to move off a little bit. So that's why a majority of the dollar pairs are not really on watch for me yet, because of this dropout. They do need development to actually start to shape up some structures or reach their next value area before we start to see if there's any potential reaction off of those. So they are on softer watch because they need some time. They need a day to start to build something. And as I've mentioned before, dollar yen has a mind of its own. It doesn't always move the same as the DXY. So that's why this is on watch, because that can shape up, completely differently. So main watch is Aussie Kiwi. You can see on the daily how heavy this is looking now to the downside. We've had multiple bearish rejections at a key value area, and we're looking at this 1, 2, 3 leg to complete down to the low. So price has got a reason to come down, and we've now had this 4-hour follow through. So we've got this strong 4-hour candle, and we're now starting to consolidate on the 4-hour. So price is building its next volume for this dropout, and we can see essentially we're playing the smaller version of the 1, 2, 3 for the sell. So all I want to see here is, if I go to the 15, you can see that we've got this kind of area here, and we've got these near misses and gaps. So all I want to see is price pull up to this sort of area. This is kind of acting as a bit of a middle section, and then price to move